Okay, so that hair towel just gets rid of all the drips to begin with. It's really, really super. And then I just separate the hair roughly into 3 pieces, and then I brush the ends gently, and I turn them over to brush underneath. Then once it's all brushed at the bottom, I then start to brush from the top. And then I use some argan oil. This is argan oil of Morocco. I just use a very small drop. It's just 1 drop there, guys. Don't use too much, it'll make it too greasy. And you only want to use it on the ends. Then I'm just splitting the hair into the top 2 quarters, twizzling it up out of the way, because she's got so much hair, so it takes me a long time to dry her hair, so I do it in sections. Brushing it through just to make sure it's nice and neat, and then look how much hair that we lose on the brush. This is just from one wash. Then with this paddle brush, I'm going to hairdry it, and I'm lifting it up at the roots just to get underneath all the hair, try and get it really dry from the bottom. And then once the roots are dry, I then dry down, trying to use that paddle brush to dry it nice and straight. And I try to dry it in a downwards direction, trying to keep all the hair going down nice and silky. Then I undo that 1 top quarter, and I just go around the roots again. Once the roots are dry, I then go down the hair in long sort of straight direction. Then I do the other side. It takes me about 20 minutes, guys, to dry her hair. She has a lot of hair, so quite often she will wash it and then we'll leave it to dry just naturally, and then I just finish it off for the last 5 minutes. So that's it. That's what we do to keep her hair looking lovely. We wash it once a week. We use the argan oil. I dry it with a paddle brush and a hairdryer. I don't always dry it from wet. I dry it when it's a bit more damp, and we cut it just once a year. That's all we do. Let me know in the comments below if you do any of the same things.